skill empowerment initiative in Sindh MS, promoting National Cohesion, PNCs, with crucial support from the EASE Foundation, recently completed a significant livelihood initiative in Hyderabad and Kotri, Sindh. The organisation successfully distributed 25 brand new sewing machines to 25 skilled women who are currently managing low household incomes. This targeted support is designed to provide these women with the necessary tools to leverage their existing skills. This intervention is expected to directly increase the household earnings of the recipients, fostering economic independence and enhancing the overall financial stability of their families. The effort reinforces PNC's commitment to community upliftment and empowering women through vocational support.